You need that work, I got that popo, need that guapo. Bitches call me guapo, hostile, eat a nigga like Roscoe. Chicken waffles, cause I'm ice cold like Ice Cube. IQ high, I'm like I'm gonna win despite you. Niggas suck like Lipo, moonwalk like Michael. Hand on the Bible, wanna be my rival. DOA, you dead up on arrival. You need that work, I got it. No, I didn't wake up in the new Bugatti. Woke up in a shitty mood, ain't shitty fool. Got shitty round the city with a bitty swimming when I zoom. Fresh out the womb, fresh like a groom, kaboom. Guess who stepped in the room? Been dope to cow, got white and loud enough to plow in the fast lane like Bilal. Need that work, got that work front, niggas work, that's a workout. 100 pounds with some sets, give your biceps and triceps a workout. Now we got too much supply, too much to hide, too much stress on our mind. Success ladder we climb, we hustle and grind. I'd rather sit back and recline in a climate of 109. Style on 100 times 100 times. In abundance, yeah, I run it. I'm Barry in his prime, or I'm Larry or LeBron or Jordan, and them combine more shots than Columbine. I'm throwing out in this rhyme. I'm made for heads, neck, chest, and your spine. Niggas doing petty crimes on their penny grinds. Think some lines, then you know where to find it, nigga.
Side up with a west side plug. Feeling like Snoop, what y'all ain't got love. We some innovating, levitating, elevating, game changing. Watch what you saying, we can rearrange the way you say it. Yeah, it gets worse sometimes. Mind racing, trying to lay a verse sometimes. People in my face like mine ain't the one that made this shine. Where I'm from, you ain't supposed to cut these lines. Outline my own shit, fuck your mind. Little bitches need to use a lifeline to get up on this shit like Hell raising off, would say